unlike every other video, I'm going to give you the best tip first. Hello. Welcome my little girly pops. I thought today we could have a little bit of a girl chat about how to get your confidence back after a breakup. My qualifications, I hear you ask. Well, I was single. I was gonna say I got broken up with, but I did the breaking up. I did the leaving in July of last year. And when I left that relationship, I had zero confidence. If you ask anyone who knew me, like as a kid, early on in my teenage years, they would tell you that I was very outgoing, very confident, and I was very sure of myself. And that slowly changed over the course of my last relationship. I'm not going to get into that because that is not what this video is about, but that is my qualifications. And now I'm a very confident person. If anything, people would say I have a very big ego, maybe an ego too big, and I'm up myself. And you know what? To that I say, yes, I am, and you should all be too. I have 5 tips to share with you that I used to get my confidence back that I'm going to give to you. And unlike every other video, I'm going to give you the best tip first. Tip number 1 is fake it till you make it. Pretend you're confident. Fake it, baby, fake it. I'm going to tell you a little story. A week after my last relationship officially ended, I met Trouble. If anybody asks Trouble if I was a confident person when I met him, he would say absolutely, I was very up myself and I was very sure of myself. That's a lie. I was not. I had zero confidence in myself. I was very insecure, but I faked it. I pretended I was the hottest bitch there. I pretended I had all the confidence in the world. I pretended I could talk to guys. Spoiler alert, I had no fucking idea what I was doing. So my advice to you guys is fake it till you make it. Tip number 2, you need a hype person. You need someone who is always in your corner, who is always hyping you up, is always like, yes, that outfit is killing it. You know, you're the hottest bitch. But this person also needs to be like honest with you. Like if something doesn't look good, they're gonna be like, oh, honey, those jeans and that top, no, change. Someone that you can trust who is honest with you, because if they're honest with you, when they say you look hot, when you say you look good, when they say you look pretty, you're gonna believe them. And you need a hype person in your corner, because if you're faking being confident and they're hyping you up, over time, it won't be fake anymore. Your brain will change and it will accept the fact that you are the hottest bitch and the most confident bitch in the world. If you can already tell, my hype person is Sky. When she said I looked good, when she said we're the hottest bitches in this room, I believed her. And I was like, yeah, damn right. We are the hottest bitches here. Tip number 3, and probably the hardest tip that you're gonna have to take, is if you can't fix it, forget about it. I know everyone watching this probably looks at themselves in the mirror and can pick apart every single thing they don't like about themselves. Well, next time you do that, be like, oh, can I change it? Like, for example, oh my god, I don't like my nose, blah, 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 blah. Can you fix it? With plastic surgery, yes, but am I gonna spend all that money just to get my nose fixed? No, so forget about it. First one for me is, oh, I have no eyebrows. If you didn't know, guys, I get my eyebrows tinted. But is that something I could fix? Yes. Did I fix it? Yeah, I did, and hell of a lot more confident for it. Oh, I have no ass. Can you fix that? Yeah. You can go to the gym, you can work on that. If you're rich, you can get a fucking BBL, babe. Like, think of it that way. This low-key goes into the next tip, which is tip number 4, do the exterior work. I know I'll probably get hate for this. When I was faking it till I made it, if I put on a face of makeup, I felt a lot more confident. If you need to put on a face of makeup to feel better, do your makeup. If you need to style your hair or curl your hair, do it. If you need to put on an outfit that makes you feel comfortable and confident, do it. Hit the fucking gym. Oh my god, the gym did so much for me when I was first trying to get that confidence back and first got out of that relationship, which I know a lot of people do. A lot of people hit the gym when they're in their partner breakup, but genuinely it was so good because you're working on how you physically look. So when you look in the mirror, you'll be happier. And also, like, it's a good distraction. It gives you something to do because you used to spend all your time with this person and now you've got all this free time to obsess over how you weren't enough for them and rah 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 rah. So hit the fucking gym. There's just little things that you can do that just make you feel better, which, yes, are they material things? Yeah, but do they work? Fuck yeah. And hello, when you get out of a relationship with someone, you're at a low point. No matter if you did the breaking up, no matter if you got dumped, no matter if you've been planning on breaking up with them for 3 months or 6 months, you'll still be in a bit of a low point. And also, if your relationship was like mine and sucked the fucking confidence out of you from the inside, of course you're gonna feel like fucking shit. So fucking go to the gym, do a full face of makeup every single fucking day. Make sure you do skincare so you don't break out from wearing makeup every single day. Get your fucking nails done, get your hair done, dye your hair. Guys, she's a Domingo. Does anyone else have the SNL Domingo skit stuck in their head? Because I do. The last and final tip, which is probably gonna make you all fucking click off this video. Don't. Hear me out, okay? Tip 5 is positive affirmations. I know. But I'm not saying sit down with a fucking book and write out this positive affirmation shit. I'm not saying listen to positive. I'm literally saying when you look at yourself in the mirror in the morning or like before you go out on the town, tell yourself you look good. If you go, wow, I did my makeup really good today. Be like, literally say to yourself, oh, my makeup looks so pretty today. If your outfit is fire, be like, fuck, this outfit slays. If your hair looks really good, compliment yourself on your hair. Like, just give yourself a compliment before every single time you go out on the town. After time, because this is how positive affirmations work. You rewire your brain so then you think that. I'm not saying lie, because you won't. If you look in the mirror and you go, I'm so hot, and you don't actually think that at all, then like, it's not really gonna do anything. Which I know. Some bitches out there will be like, no, say you're hot every single day and all of a sudden you'll think you're hot. Yes and no. I used to tell myself that. I tried that fucking affirmation bullshit that all these YouTubers say. Didn't work for me. But what worked was before I went out, being like, shit, I did my makeup really good today. My makeup looks so pretty. Or, fuck, I actually look good in this outfit today. I look hot. And just saying stuff that I actually thought. And now, literally every time that I get dressed up, every time I fucking go to the gym, sometimes before I go to the gym, I'm like, oh, wow, who's this bitch in the mirror? Ah. So that's my take on positive affirmations. And that is also my last tip for this little video. If you want more videos like this where I give advice, ask me questions down below. I can't tell you why advice will always be good. I will warn you, I'm a petty bitch, and sometimes my advice will be revenge. Make sure, comment, like, subscribe, do that good shit. You can follow my socials. Bonus tip, guys. Force yourself to take photos. Force yourself to post hot photos of yourself on Instagram. Me and Sky did this. We literally, like, every Friday for like a month, we would get dressed up, do our makeup, do our hair, and we'd go to different like locations and literally have like a photo shoot. And then we'd force ourselves to post about it on Instagram. And then you've got people liking, you low-key have creeps sliding into your DMs saying how hot you look, but hey, people are telling you look hot, your brain's gonna start thinking it. Yes, is it a little bit bad? Yes. But when you're first getting out of that relationship and your confidence is shit, all that little stuff helps. I do have to say though, once that confidence is back, block them. And also, while you're building this confidence, do not fucking message them back. That's error number 1. That's how you get murdered. Okay, maybe I was being dramatic, but like still, don't go there. Let them give you a little compliment and leave them the fuck alone. And on that note, I'm gonna go. Until next time, because I know you'll be back. Bye. Cause he's a friend, just like a sis, but we did hook up though.